welcome back to my channel. So I have finally gotten around to getting the rest of the Tom and Jerry New Line Look series. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing videos for you. I just thought I would just show you them all together there. And today I'm going to start off with Tom and Jerry Blast Off Mars. Okay, so here is Tom and Jerry movie Blast Off to Mars. Sorry, that's the cat. So this is the front cover, the spine, and then the back. So there's the description there. I've got a few images. We can see the special features and all the ratings down there. Let's take this out the slip. Okay, so it's another matching one. Then we've got all of them matching this series. And the back is the exact same again. So let's take this out of the plastic. Okay, so the plastic is off. Okay, I'm going to open that, and it's just the black disc that we're used to seeing with Tom and Jerry Blast Off to Mars. So yeah, that is the first one in this series. Thank you for watching.